charge against you, or the charges against you, and whether or not you are able to assist your lawyer in defending yourself. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any objection to being evaluated?
I have no objection to being evaluated, sir.
All right, so you would be available to be taken to Columbia to the appropriate department for that evaluation?
First of all, I need a schedule because I operate. I am in a line of duty of doing things. I have a business that I run. Okay, I work with a media department. Okay, I work with several different churches here. I have a television show that comes on every day at 10:30 here at Channel 3, Southern Coastal Cable. Okay.
What's the name of your show?
Well, it's Prayer Warriors. Okay, Faith and Prayer Warriors. I assist a lot of people here that deals with the church.
The schedule
Okay.
will be made available. Now, I'm not saying you might not have to miss a show, but do you know, would they let you know what are you going to put in the order?
Your Honor, my concern, besides competency, is more immediate. He is out on bond. Clearly, what he has demonstrated today is significant change from what has been presented to the magistrate or anybody else. My concern is a more immediate issue regarding his safety to himself and others at this point, based on his erratic demeanor that has been displayed in the courtroom. Either he is completely incompetent or he is malingering to the point that he is in contempt. That's my concern, is more an immediate concern regarding his release at this point to go walk among everybody else after what we've seen today.
Yes, sir.
May I say something, sir? I understand the concern of the solicitor here, sir. I've been operating and I have not been causing any physical damage or any harm to any human being in this society. I came here of my own free will. I could have been a fugitive and ran. Okay, so I am not endangering anybody or not any type of endangerment at all. I am not endangering myself or endangering any individual or any of you human beings that are presenting before me, because I am human myself. Okay, so I understand her nature and her concern. I operate in a fine state of judgment. Okay, I do not
own any weapons?
I do not own any weapons because I am a felon. The only weapon I own is the knowledge, wisdom, and understanding of the spiritual nature of the God that exists in me.
Okay, what's his record?
Your Honor, a drug charge from 1992, Rhode Island, a felony drug charge. In Connecticut, 1998, felony larceny, 1996, criminal trespass, 1992, felony possession of narcotics, 2007, drug paraphernalia, 2006, sale of drugs, 2 counts, and 1998, 3 counts of larceny, 2 counts of forgery, witness tampering, and violation of probation.
All right, anything else, Ms. Bessie?
No, sir, Your Honor.
Do you agree that he should be at least screened by local mental health?
At the very least, I would agree that he needs to be evaluated for competency.
What's your position that he be held in custody until then?
I have to take my client at his face value that he is not a threat to anyone, including himself or others, while recognizing he does have a lengthy record.
All right, anything else from the state?
No, Your Honor.
All right, typically if I was in Sumter, I'd just order him to be evaluated and be transported to Columbia at the next available date or an agreed upon date, and that if he didn't, he'd be held in custody until we agreed to go. You mentioned something about local mental health. I don't know how willing they are to
Excuse me.
I'm in charge right now. How willing they are to talk to people like this. Many communities they don't want to do it. I don't know what the county operations are.
Your Honor, that was just a suggestion from contacted when I found out about this afternoon. I contacted the attorney for the Department of Mental Health influence on some of our insanity guilty criminal cases. She indicated that we perhaps look at the hospital, and I don't have a local mental health would be about evaluating right now, but, you know, of course, the hospital will do that if required.
All right, I'm not going to order him to be held in custody, but I do want him evaluated by the appropriate state institute for competency. And you can put in the order that he has a firm claim that he is God. Of course, certainly God is preeminently competent, but if he's not God, then he has to be examined in that regard. Also, his claims that he is able to determine what others were thinking, and I guess y'all can summarize all of his other comments today. You had something else you wanted to tell me, sir?
Yes, sir.
I also put in there his extensive past mental health treatment, and apparently the fact that he's not taking his medication. All right, anything else, Mr. Rockman?
No, sir. At this moment, I release you in charge, sir, as you stated, and you shall remain in charge at this moment.
I appreciate that.
Thank you.
Okay. You will be notified of a date and time for your evaluation in Columbia. I suggest that you meet that appointment. They'll take you, won't they?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I believe he lives out of state.
Where do you?
Oh,
The
may I?
last time he was here, he said he had to go to Connecticut, so I don't know what.
Yeah.
You said you got a local TV show.
That's exactly.
Where do you live?
Right. Let me bring things to light.
No, just tell us.
Right here, my mother resides in 312 Mercer Ave, Georgetown, South Carolina, and this is what brought me present today. My physical address is Connecticut, New Haven, Connecticut. I travel because I am a news reporter and an investigative reporter. I could be anywhere at any given moment when it's needed for me or any assignment that is given to me.
Well, how do you transport?
I transport and I travel through car, vehicle, airport transportation, trains, subways, buses, every local transportation that exists in your society, sir, I use to transport this physical body where it needs to go.
Okay. All right. So you can transport the physical body back to your mother's house, and that's where I want you to stay until you report for your evaluation. Write down that address, give her a phone number, and she'll let you know when you're supposed to be picked up for your evaluation. If you don't go, you will be taken against your will.
Not a problem, sir.
Questions of this, Your Honor. I am the Deputy Solicitor of Price.
Don't me. Thank you.
I'm going to amend the conditions of the bond. You must reside at 312 Mercer Avenue here in Georgetown until further order of the court, not necessarily me, might be another judge. If you do not reside there, your bond can be revoked and you can be put in custody. If your mother doesn't want you there by chance, I can't imagine why she wouldn't, but if she doesn't want you there, you'll have to report to your lawyer and she'll have to come back in front of me or another judge.
Okay, I have one thing, sir, because I know.
Don't lean forward.
Okay, I know for a fact. I need, because if I stay here and I get pulled over, they're going to say I don't have a driver's license in South Carolina. Okay, that's going to cause a problem like it did before with this ticket, which was actually thrown out, sir. So if I claim the state of residence here, and I'm driving, so if I'm here in 30 days, and they say I pulled over, and I get pulled over, they're going to say, you know, they're going to bother me.
Well,
They're going to bother me. So do I need to go to the local motor vehicle department and change my license over and claim the state of residence in Connecticut when state of residence in South Carolina?
do you have a Connecticut license?
I have a Connecticut CDL driver's license, commercial driver's
Can
license.
you drive a car?
I can drive car and truck.
All right. As long as you got a driver's license, I don't know what they're going to tell you. As far as whether or not you reside here permanently, I don't know. What I'm telling you is that I'm telling you you've got to stay or reside with your mother at that address until they say you don't have to.
Okay, am I allowed to still continue to work? Am I asking? Because I've been working.
Work until you have to go to your evaluation.
No problem, sir.
Your Honor, he is allowed to go out of state to work.
Where's your TV station?
I work in the state of Connecticut, sir. In the state of Atlanta, I work in Atlanta, Connecticut, and South Carolina. Yes, sir.
Okay. Live with your mother until you get evaluated and don't go anywhere else. Okay?
Yes, sir.
No.
Thank you. No problem.
You can take about a 5-minute break, take whatever else we have. I trust that you follow the advice of your attorney as well.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. That was crazy. Huh? Hey, that's why I did this. I got this. I had an electronic cigarette.